Welcome to tonight's video. We're going to talk about how to use your phone and the Notes app to make pictures into a single PDF. So first of all, you need to click on the Notes app. And then we're going to make a new note. And from that new note, you're going to hit the camera button and it's going to allow you to scan documents. So we'll hit scan documents and then we're going to position the camera to take pictures of, there's page 1. I'll flip that over for page 1. And I'll take the pictures. Now notice it's a little off, so I can move it over and get the table out of the picture. And there we go. So I can say keep scan. So that's page 1. And then if I want to have a second page, I don't save it. I just take the next picture. And then I can adjust. That looks pretty good. So I'll keep the scan as well. And then now notice it says save but 2. So now I'll hit save because that's the last picture. And notice now it'll save it into 2 pages into 1 PDF. So now notice it says scan documents. I want to click up there. And I'm going to rename it. And I'm going to rename it to the assignment. So this is Unit 1 Test. And then you're going to put a hyphen. And then you're going to put your name. So this is Ron Weasley. And notice it'll change the name of the document. All right, so now you're going to hit the send icon and you're going to email it to yourself. I'm going to do it through Outlook because that's my school email. So I will type in my name, my email at viewpoint.org, and the assignment's attached. I mean, you can write a subject if you want, but I'm just going to email it to myself and send it. And now comes the task of going into my email, saving it to my computer, and attaching it to my Viewpoint, which I will show you next.